Welcome back to 77 Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest car modifications, in-depth reviews, and exclusive automotive content. Today, we bring you a deep dive into the modern modified 2025 Mahindra XUV700, an SUV that has been transformed into a beast with cutting-edge modifications and performance upgrades. The exterior of this modified XUV700 is nothing short of stunning. It features a custom widebody kit that enhances its muscular stance, complemented by a redesigned front grille with LED illumination. The aggressive front bumper comes with integrated air vents for improved aerodynamics, while the sleek adaptive LED headlamps provide superior visibility. The SUV sits on 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires, giving it an imposing road presence. Additionally, the roof rails, ORVMs, and door handles are finished in gloss black, adding to the sporty appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 XUV700 has received a significant power boost. The 2.2 litres mHawk turbo diesel engine now comes with a custom EQ remap, pushing the power output to an impressive 230 bhp and 500 Nm of torque. The petrol variant's 2.0 litres M-Stallion turbocharged engine has also been tuned to deliver 270 bhp, thanks to a high-performance air intake system and a stainless steel sports exhaust. The addition of a race-spec suspension setup ensures enhanced handling, making this XUV700 a true performer on both highways and off-road trails. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious and futuristic cabin. The seats are wrapped in premium Alcantara leather, while the dashboard features carbon fiber inserts for a high-tech feel. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster has been reprogrammed with custom themes, and the massive 14-inch infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 3D surround sound system. Additional features include ambient lighting with over 64 color options, a panoramic sunroof, and a starlight headliner inspired by luxury brands. Tech enthusiasts will love the advanced ADAS 3.0 system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and autonomous emergency braking. A custom heads-up display, HUD, projects real-time speed and navigation info, ensuring a futuristic driving experience. The connectivity features have been upgraded with 5G-enabled connected car technology, remote engine start via smartphone, and biometric authentication for keyless entry. This modified 2025 Mahindra XUV700 is the perfect blend of power, style, and technology, making it a dream machine for SUV lovers. Stay tuned to 77 Cars for more exciting modifications, in-depth car reviews, and exclusive automotive content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. See you in the next video.